Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to check who viewed your TikTok profile on your TikTok app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to check who viewed your TikTok profile on your TikTok app, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok app, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the content posted by your friends or the people you follow. And over here on this interface, you can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile button, and on this interface, which is your TikTok profile, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the three line icon. Just beside that, there is the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that eye icon, and on this interface you can see the people who had viewed my profile, and this is the place you can check who viewed your TikTok profile. And there guys, this is how you check who viewed your TikTok profile on your TikTok app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.